Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, I sort of went a bit AWOL there, but if you guys didn't know, I actually have a second channel. It's a craft and DIY channel, so I'd been working on Christmas content for that, and craft and DIY videos take up a lot of time. I also went to America for a few days and I did vlog it. That vlog is coming soon. I just thought I would do a Christmas video first, seeing as it's almost Christmas. So today's video is on how to create this festive glam look, and I have lipstick all over my teeth. How long has that been there? This look is perfect for the holidays. I am so happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please remember to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell if you would like to see more videos from me. Now, is there more lipstick on my teeth? A little bit. Now let's get into this tutorial. I'm actually sick today, so if I get a bit snotty, I apologize. But if I don't film this now, it's gonna be Christmas and I'm not gonna have a holiday makeup video up. So first of all, let's zoom you guys in. I changed up my lighting and I don't know whether it's better or worse now. Let me know. Anyway, we are going to start off by priming our eyes with the Sigma eyeshadow base in Ignite. If you watch my videos, you've seen me do this a million times. You just basically scribble it all over your eye. Hit your mirror and then blend it out with a beauty blender. And for eyeshadow, we're going to be using the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. This palette looks so beautiful and it smells so good. I will say though, if you have last year's normal, that was loud. If you have last year's normal gingerbread palette, you probably don't need this one. I think they're very similar. So this is the original gingerbread spice and then this is the extra spicy. So they are pretty similar. I think I'm gonna mostly use the like warm golden shades in this. We are going to blend out any creasing and then we're going to grab the shade Butterscotch just on a Sigma F40 brush, and we're going to blend this into our crease as our first transition shade. These colors are super pigmented. You probably don't need a tacky base for this. Like, I have used this palette with just concealer and it's worked fine, so if you don't have a tacky base, just use your concealer. My mirror is all smudgy. I am not organized. I have not filmed a makeup tutorial in so long. I'm sorry guys, I know I went a bit AWOL there. I was creating content for my second channel. If you guys didn't know, I have a second channel called Kat. I will link it in the description box. It's just a craft and DIY channel. As usual, I'm being pretty messy on the edges just because we are going to clean it up later, so I don't have to like spend time being neat. Okay, so next up we're going to go in with Gingerbread Glam, and we're just going to take that on a Sigma E25 brush, and we are going to blend this into our crease and outer V. I took that up a little bit high, but we'll blend it out. So let me know what kind of videos you guys want me to do in 2020. Oh my god, I'm gonna be 30 next year. But yeah, let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see from me in the new year. The next color I'm going to take is Cookie Coal. And I'm just going to take a little bit on that same Sigma E25 brush and blend that into the very outer corner of my eyes. I took way too much on my brush. I forget that these are actually really good quality eyeshadows. Okay, so next up I'm gonna grab my NARS Matte Creamy Concealer, is that? Soft Matte Complete Conceal, and a teeny tiny little brush. And I'm gonna half cut my crease. So you just start on the inner corner and just work your way out. Okay, so next I'm just going to wipe off any excess concealer on that little brush and close my concealer so it doesn't dry out. Then I'm going to take the shade Candy Queen. This is probably my favorite shade in the palette. And I'm going to apply this to like the inner third of my eye, just on top of that concealer. This eyeshadow is very crumbly and I'm getting a lot of fallout, so I'm just going to grab some Fix Plus. I'm going to grab the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray instead. Spray a little bit into the cap and then dip my brush into the eyeshadow first, and then just take a little bit of the setting spray on the brush as well. And then pat that on. So next I'm going in with Spice Mammy, and I'm just going to like sandwich this in the middle of those two eyeshadows just to blend them a bit better. Then I'm just going to grab that blending brush we used for Cookie Coal and blend that a bit on the edges. Awesome, my eyes aren't very even because one eye is bigger than the other, but oh well. So next I'm gonna grab my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm just gonna line my top lash line. Okay, so next up for mascara, I'm just going to use my Benefit Roller Lash, and I am going to be applying some false lashes today, obviously. The lashes I'm going to use are the Adele Studio FX Demi Wispies. And I'm back, and lashes are on. Also had some cold and flu tablets, so hopefully those kick in before the end of this video. And made a second coffee because I'm fading fast. Someone's here. Oh my god, the mailman actually stopped for once. He never does this, and then all my parcels go missing. Okay, so back to our makeup. I'm gonna take some micellar water, and I'm just gonna clean up any fallout, any glittery bits on my face. And I'm also gonna clean up the edge of my eyeshadow as well. Now onto primer. I'm gonna try and like switch up my base products today because I know I always use like the same 3 things. So today I'm gonna use the Brightening Youth Glow Primer by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just gonna take a actually this was way too much. I'm just gonna take some and work this into my face and maybe down my neck a little too because I put on way too much. So now for foundation, I completely forgot that I had this. This is the Zoeva Authentic Skin Foundation. This is pretty dark. I think it might be a little bit too dark for me, but we're gonna try it anyway. Maybe I can lighten it up with some concealer later. Oh, okay, we're going with it. Yeah, this foundation is way too dark for me. Oh my lord. What are we gonna do, Kat? We can save this, it's fine. The shade, oh, I don't think I can make this work. I'm gonna grab another foundation and just chuck some over the top and hope for the best. Let's just add some of the Too Faced Born This Way in light beige. Hopefully I don't have to redo my base. Let's just see how this goes. Oh, this is kind of working. How are we looking? A little bit better. So now for concealer, I'm gonna use the Beauty Bakery 3-in-1 concealer. What are the other 2 things? I don't know. But this is the shade 13 Disturb the Peace. I have used this concealer off camera before and I really like it. Probably not as much as my Tarte Shape Tape, but it is still very good. Then I'm just going to blend this out. Hopefully this will tone down the darkness of my foundation as well. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that concealer and put some down the center of my face as well. And maybe here. Just to lighten up the foundation a little bit. So to set that concealer, I'm just gonna use the Too Faced Banana Powder. Mine is smashed. I still need to get a new one. And I'm just gonna pat that on. Then to set the rest of my face, I'm just going in with an old favorite. This is the NARS Pressed Powder in Beach. I used to use this all the time when I lived in Palm Cove. It was like 2 apartments ago. Now for bronzer, I thought I could try this. So I was in LA recently. I did vlog it. It's coming. I need to edit it. It's taking me a while, okay? But it is coming. Anyway, whilst I was in America, we went to an Ulta. They had Milani, and we don't have Milani in Australia. And even a lot of Milani stuff we can't get online. Like Milani doesn't ship to Australia for starters. So if we want it, we have to go through like Beauty Bay, and then they only have like a really select range of stuff. It's very annoying. Anyway, this is the Milani Baked Bronzer in number 5. And I'm gonna use this to bronze up my face. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I really wish all of the brands that are in America would come to Australia. There's still so many we don't have. Like we literally only got Jouer last month. So next for blush, we're gonna revisit another old favorite. This is the NARS Orgasm Blush. This was like their special like supersized limited edition one. It is so beautiful. And I'm just gonna apply that to my cheeks. Why did people stop using this? This is actually so beautiful. Then for highlighter, another thing I picked up in America is Colourpop Lunch Money. Again, would love it if Colourpop would come to Australia so that it's not like $80 for a palette. And I'm just gonna take a bit of Lunch Money on a Sigma F03 brush. Oh, that was way too much on my brush, oh my gosh. I stuffed that up, okay. Let's just... I also like to take it up onto my eyebrow and then down the center of my face as well. Okay, so before I finish off my eyes, I'm gonna grab this Morphe setting spray. Again, I don't think I've used this on camera yet. I have used it off camera and I really like it, and I kind of wish that I didn't like it so much because it is an aerosol. and I feel like aerosols are bad for the environment. I don't know whether that's just like certain aerosols or like all aerosols. I do really like it, but I probably won't repurchase it just because I also like the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and that's not in an aerosol. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly do my brows and then we can finish off our eyes. Okay, I'm back with my brows done. Now let's work on our eyes. I'm actually gonna take a bit of lunch money on a flat shader brush and just pack that on underneath my eyebrow just to intensify that shimmer. Guys, I have gnats or gnats. Pretty sure it's pronounced gnats. Those are like houseflies because of my plants. I've now turned into a crazy plant lady and have a lot of plants. If you know how to get rid of gnats, let me know. Someone suggested cinnamon, so I might try that next. We'll see how that goes. I also want to take a little bit of lunch money on a pencil brush and just pack that on my very inner corner. Also, I completely forgot when we were doing our top eyeshadow that I wanted to add a little bit of this. This is the Bperfect Cosmetics Jar Makeup Artist Mainsy Glitter. Ooh, it looks so pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Too Faced glitter glue. I'm just gonna dab some on to the first third of my eye. Actually, let's go first half and then go in with that glitter. That's so pretty. Love that. Okay, so now for our lower lash line, let's grab our palette again. Let's go in with butterscotch first, just on a pencil brush and smudge that into our lower lash line. Then let's take a little bit of Gingerbread Glam and smudge that in as well, but don't take it down as far as butterscotch. And then just on the very outer corners, let's take a tiny bit of Cookie Cost, just there. Now we just want to add some mascara to our lower lashes. I am going to use the Tom Ford mascara. I do really like this mascara, especially when I'm not wearing fake eyelashes, but I know it is very expensive, so just use whatever mascara you have handy. Okay, so I accidentally got a bit on my lower lash line, so we'll just wait for that to dry before touching it. In the meantime, let's do our lips. I have a few lip options. They're all red. I think I know which one I'm gonna go with. So I'm gonna start off by lining my lips with some red lip liner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in Bad Blood. Let's not screw this up because red gets very messy very quickly. And then for lipstick, I'm gonna wear the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in Bessa Shimmer. This is a tiny little mini version. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so beautiful. I feel like this color is Christmas. I think this is my new favorite red, by the way. And so here we have the finished look, guys. I am so happy with how it turned out, even though we had a few struggles along the way, especially when it came to foundation, but it all came together in the end. So as usual, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, hit that notification bell and subscribe button if you would like to see more videos from me. I hope you all have an amazing Christmas and New Year's, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.